Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check someone's likes on Instagram. So guys, if you want to check someone's likes on your Instagram account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Instagram. And now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device, and after this open the app, and now you have to simply tap on your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on following and open your following list, and from here you have to simply select anyone whose likes you want to check. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on this three dots button, and now you have to simply tap on see shared activity, and from here you have to simply tap on likes from here, and from here you can check the posts that are liked by you, and you can also check the post liked by them. So as you can see this, you can check the posts which are liked by them, and you can also check the posts that are liked by you. So guys, in this way you can check someone's likes on your Instagram account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.